Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to cash out stocks on Cash App. So first of all, you need to open up Cash App on your mobile device, and then from the home screen, tap on the Stocks tab right over here. Once you're on this screen, you need to scroll down to My Investments tab, and then over here, under Stocks Owned, tap on the stock you want to cash out. For this instance, I'll go with this one. Now to sell this stock, you simply need to tap on this Sell button right over here. If you have a big chunk of shares, then it'll ask you to enter the amount of the stock you wish to sell. After that, simply confirm the transaction by tapping on this Confirm button at the bottom. It'll then take some time to process the order. Next, tap Done at the bottom of the screen and head back to your banking tab. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Cash Out option right over here. Next, enter in the amount you want to cash out, and then hit Cash Out at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up will come up. Simply choose the withdrawal speed. On opting for standard option, Cash App will not charge any fee. But if you go with the instant option, it'll charge a minimal fee for the withdrawal. It'll then ask you to enter in your Cash App PIN, and you're done. Well, that's how you cash out stocks on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.